Performing testing with SOFIA test kits and SOFIA 2 is simple and flexible. SOFIA 2's dual mode testing feature provides users with options for test timing to meet the needs of different laboratory environments. This module will provide users guidance on how to prepare patient specimens to produce the results on SOFIA 2 from nasal or nasopharyngeal swabs. The assay used in this demonstration is the SOFIA Influenza A+B FIA. For additional questions, please refer to the individual assay package insert or contact Quidel Technical Support. Understanding the kit components prior to performing patient testing is necessary to ensure a proper result is produced. Quidel provides all components necessary to run testing with SOFIA assays, and we recommend that you use the swabs contained in each kit. The materials contained in the SOFIA Influenza A+B FIA kit include the following. Also included in the kit for older models is a roll of printer paper. SOFIA 2 users may discard this paper. To prepare a patient sample from nasal or nasopharyngeal swab for testing with SOFIA 2, dispense all of the reagent solution into the reagent tube. Gently swirl the reagent tube to dissolve its contents. Remove the swab from sterile transport package after proper collection and place it in the reagent tube. Roll the swab at least 3 times while pressing the head against the bottom and side of the reagent tube. Leave the swab in the reagent solution for 1 minute. To remove the swab, roll the swab head against the inside of the reagent tube as you remove it. Dispose of the used swab in your biohazard waste. Firmly squeeze the top bulb of the clear, fixed volume pipette, then place the pipette tip into the sample. With the pipette tip still in the sample, release the pressure on the bulb to fill the pipette. Users must ensure pipette tube is filled to an adequate volume. Extra liquid in the overflow bulb is okay. Then firmly squeeze the top bulb to empty the contents of the fixed volume pipette into the cassette sample well. In walkaway mode, the test cassette will incubate in the test cassette drawer and SOFIA 2 will automatically time the result. SOFIA 2 can produce positive, objective results in as few as 3 minutes. To begin testing after emptying the contents of the patient sample into the cassette, ensure SOFIA 2 has been powered on and that the Run Test screen appears. Enter the user ID and patient ID by using the touchscreen or the integrated barcode scanner. If the user has manually entered the user ID or patient ID, press the check button. If an order number is required, enter it by using the touchscreen or integrated barcode scanner. Ensure that SOFIA 2 is set to the desired mode. Read now, or in the case of this demonstration, walkaway mode, and press the Start Test button. When SOFIA 2 is configured with Verena, the user will advance to a screen to provide additional patient information. If the user has configured SOFIA 2 to require patient age, enter that information in the appropriate field. Users can also choose to label the patient type. The default patient type is set to outpatient and is the most common selection. All data in these fields is optional unless otherwise selected at setup. Press the forward arrow in the lower right corner. The user will then see an on-screen animation instructing to open the cassette drawer and insert the patient sample. Once the drawer is closed, timing will begin automatically. When in walkaway mode, SOFIA 2 will scan the patient cassette at multiple time points during the 15-minute incubation period. If positive at one of the early time points of 3, 5, 8, or 10 minutes, SOFIA 2 will provide a positive result. After 15 minutes, SOFIA 2 will report a negative result or positive result, which was not previously called at an earlier time point. When the test is complete, the results screen appears and informs the user if the test was positive, negative, or invalid. In the event SOFIA 2 reports an invalid result, users should rerun the test on a new test cassette. Press Home and follow the on-screen directions. Then return to the Run Test screen. Discard cassettes in an approved biohazard container or in accordance with your institution's policies. For any technical support issues regarding SOFIA 2 or SOFIA assays, users can visit Quidel.com or contact Quidel Technical Support at 800-874-1517.